Hey there tech enthusiasts, welcome to RenTechPH, your go-to source for the latest tech news and updates. I'm your host Dave, and today we're talking about a crucial warning from Apple that every iPhone user needs to know. So let's dive right in. Apple has issued a warning to iPhone users about the risks of charging their devices in certain environments. This includes areas with high humidity, extreme temperatures, or exposure to water. Now, you might be thinking, what's the big deal? Well, charging your iPhone in these conditions can cause damage to the charging port and potentially lead to a short circuit or even a fire. Water and electronics don't mix, and when your iPhone is exposed to moisture, it can cause corrosion and damage to the internal components. And if you're using a third-party charging cable or adapter, it can increase the risk of a short circuit or electric shock. So what can you do to stay safe? First, make sure to use only official Apple charging cables and power adapters. These are designed specifically for your iPhone and meet Apple's safety standards. And second, regularly clean the charging port to prevent dust and debris buildup, which can also cause issues. Cleaning your charging port is easy. Just use a soft cloth and a small brush to remove any debris or dust. And if you're using a case, make sure it's designed to allow for easy access to the charging port. Extreme temperatures can also cause damage to your iPhone's battery and charging port. So avoid leaving your phone in a hot car or in freezing temperatures for extended periods. And remember, avoid overcharging your iPhone, as this can also cause damage to the battery and charging port. Try to keep your iPhone charged between 20% and 80% if possible. Keep your iPhone away from liquids including water, coffee, and juice, and consider using a water-resistant case or pouch to protect your iPhone from accidental splashes or drops. And if you do accidentally expose your iPhone to water, turn it off immediately and seek professional repair or contact Apple support. Don't try to dry it out yourself, as this can cause further damage. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, this warning isn't just limited to iPhones. It applies to all phones. So be sure to share this video with your loved ones and friends to keep them safe too. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to RenTechPH for more news, updates, and tips. We'll see you in the next video.